And something that's really cool about Annie Chambers and Bobby Cheeks of the Welfare Rights Organization. The Welfare Rights Organization is credited for being Baltimore's first welfare rights organizing group in the city as a whole, led by Bobby Cheeks. And Reverend Annie Chambers is still doing housing organizing today. Just a month ago, she led a press conference at Douglas Homes, where she currently lives, fighting against the oppressive water bill, BG&E bill hikes that are happening to residents currently right now. So this mother, Reverend, who's now Reverend Annie Chambers, who's mentioned in this article, is still doing this work currently right now. So this isn't isolated. This isn't just like a story of people who existed at one point in time and then faded into the history books, or faded into oblivion because people aren't talking about grassroots organizing work that's really happening on the ground level in Baltimore. She's a direct example of that, an elder that we have access to talk to now. And something that was cool that I found in my conversation with Miss Jones Dorsey, she actually referred to Miss Annie Chambers as the Fannie Lou Hamer of Baltimore, which, if you know about Fannie Lou, you know that is a great, amazing compliment, and it's great that we have one here, right? And I can speak to that. Her ability to speak truth to power hasn't faded at all, one bit.